Hello, today we are solving Jan 2026 Unit 1 IAL EDEXCEL Accounting paper question number 3, part E of the question. Evaluate Bilac's decision to prepare the control account. Bilac is a person who is in the business of buying and selling goods on credit. This requires him to maintain ledger control accounts for all customers that he sells to. He also maintains monthly control accounts. So in the part B of the question, we had prepared trade receivables ledger control account. Here they are asking, evaluate this decision to prepare the control account. Do you need to prepare the control accounts? What are the points when you prepare the control accounts? It will check the accuracy in the ledger, right? One of the error control methods. It is one of the error control methods, and it is going to check the accuracy of the ledger. It will deter frauds due to the separation of duties. So those who are preparing the control accounts will be different persons. So it is going to prepare than the one who maintains books. So it's going to prepare fraud, and it can provide a total to aid preparation of the financial statements. I will just add up and you take it to the financial statements using the balances. It will aid the management as a decision making to set the credit control. I can also use it for setting the credit control for the customer payments. But what are the points against preparing the control accounts? It is time consuming. It takes a lot of time to prepare. Generally, it requires a separation of duties and be prepared by a second person. The person who maintains the book should not be preparing the control account. This should be generally done by another accountant. So the accounts may still contain errors. So even though if you do, sometimes some of the errors cannot be identified and it might still remain. So in conclusion, the control account should be prepared to reduce the errors in the financial statements. It is very much necessary. So still what the type of, for example, original entry error, you can just write. So example, okay, it can't identify, only mathematical errors you can identify, but you can't identify original entry errors, okay, and other errors. So in conclusion, however, the control account should be prepared to reduce the errors in